We got a theory. You see, Mike, we got a theory about magic and miracles. That's right. That's right. If magic is all we've ever known, then it's easy to miss what really goes on. But I've seen miracles in every way, and I see miracles every day. Ocean spanning beyond my sight, and a million stars way above them at night. You don't have to be high to look in the sky and know that's a miracle open wide. Look at the mountains, trees, the seven seas, and everything chilling underwater, please. Hot lava, snow, rain and fog, long neck Jurassic Park.
Hi ladies, it's Tori here with a quick TTC update. Here in my next cycle, yes, I did start. Aunt Flo did come in this next cycle. She was only maybe about 5 days long. Didn't have any cramping this cycle. That medicine that I've been taking, it finally kind of paid off. I didn't have any cramps. I wasn't buckled over this cycle. I didn't start off spotting. I started off with the normal flow this cycle as well. And I did use my cloth pads again this cycle, and I am loving them very much. So much better than disposable pads. I do highly recommend trying them. They're pretty simple to clean. It's a lot cheaper, and they're a lot more comfortable, and they really work well. Other than that, I am about almost halfway through my cycle now. I'm on cycle day 11, so ovulation should be coming up here soon. Hubby and I are not using protection still. We're not trying to get pregnant, but we're not trying to force it right now. Starting next month, if I do not get pregnant, I will be temping again and checking cervical mucus, and that'll probably be for another 6 months to a year, depending on whether or not I get pregnant. So yeah, that's just what's been going on with that. And I am sorry that it's taken so long for me to respond back to you ladies to make another video. It's there's just been a lot going on around the house here, and my internet's been down and my computer hasn't been working right. I had to have my husband fix my computer again, so hopefully it works today so that I can get this video uploaded. But well, if y'all have any questions for me, just post them down below, and I'll get back to you on them. All right, thanks, ladies. Bye.